Why buy new? Let me show you. A new Tabor home guarantees a few things you wouldn't normally get. It's an enhanced home with an upgraded lifestyle, with quality, value, and safety features built in just for you. We're redefining the term builder grade.
Huh?
What does new guarantee? No ghosts. A home without any history is a good thing. There's no need to sage or have it blessed. This October, don't get haunted. A Tabor home is waiting for you. No tricks, just treats. Let's go. Come on, no more ghosts. Bye.